Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a very important topic, that is cytoplasmic inheritance, okay, and peptide mutant in yeast. So the cytoplasmic inheritance can be seen in multiple organisms. Here we are going to focus and see the inheritance pattern which is influenced by mitochondria in yeast. Okay, so the very basic thing that we all know, the mitochondria is semi autonomous organelle, right? मीन्स माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया जो होता है वो सेल्फ रिप्लिकेटिंग है, ठीक है, मतलब कि इसमें अपना खुद का डीएनए होता है, इट हैज इट्स ओन डीएनए एंड अदर प्रोटीन सिंथेसाइजिंग एंजाइम एंड मशीनरी. ओके, नाउ दिस माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया डीएनए, मतलब माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में जो भी डीएनए पाया जाता है और न्यूक्लियस में जो डीएनए पाया जाता है, दोनों मिलकर के एक सर्टेन टाइप का इनहेरिटेंस शो करते हैं, ठीक है, जिसका एग्जाम्पल है पेटाइट म्यूटेंट इन यीस्ट. दैट इज वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इट टुडे. नाउ पेटाइट का मतलब क्या है? तो पेटाइट मतलब कॉलोनी साइज से है, ठीक है, यीस्ट की कॉलोनी साइज जो कि जनरली वाइल्ड टाइप से छोटी होती है, ठीक है. सेल साइज means the cell of the petite colonies are smaller than that of wild type. Okay, and इट इज नॉट इंडिविजुअल सेल. मतलब हम पेटाइट की जब बात कर रहे हैं तो हम यीस्ट के एक सेल की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम यीस्ट की पूरी कॉलोनी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. यीस्ट की एक सेल नहीं, यीस्ट की एक पूरी कॉलोनी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं पेटाइट. और ये जो पेटाइट्स होते हैं इनमें क्या होता है? एबनॉर्मल माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया होता है, ठीक है. एबनॉर्मल माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया का क्या मतलब है कि इनमें जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया पाया जाता है दे आर नॉट कैपेबल ऑफ डूइंग ऑक्सीडेटिव फॉस्फोराइलेशन. ओके, नाउ in labs they are prepared like right means कि पेटाइट न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो हैं यीस्ट के, ये हम लैब में प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. हाउ? बाय सर्टेन यूज ऑफ सर्टेन केमिकल सच एज इथिडियम ब्रोमाइड एंड एक्रीफ्लेमिन. नाउ let us move ahead and see the type of petite according to the inheritance pattern. Means different type of petite are seen and their inheritance pattern are different. So let us see type of petite according to inheritance pattern they are showing. Okay, so there are basically three types of petite according to their inheritance pattern. These three types include, the first one is segregated or segregational type. Okay, segregational या फिर segregated type. सेकेंड वन होता है न्यूट्रल टाइप एंड थर्ड वन इज सप्रेसिव. सो इन्हीं तीनों टाइप के पेटाइट्स में हम देखने वाले हैं क्या इनहेरिटेंस पैटर्न आ रहा है और माइटोकॉन्ड्रियाज को किस तरीके से इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा है. तो सबसे पहला हम देखने जा रहे हैं सेग्रीगेटेड में कैसा इनहेरिटेंस पैटर्न हमें देखने को मिल रहा है. सी व्हाट हैपेंड देयर व्हेन हैप्लॉइड पेटाइट is crossed with a haploid normal yeast colony or yeast. Okay, haploid normal, then diploid zygote is formed. Okay, diploid zygote is formed, and after meiosis, right, they are haploid, so it has to undergo into meiosis. So after meiosis what happened? It is observed that two petites and two normal yeast type are formed. Okay, so it is showing basically the Mendelian inheritance. Okay, Mendelian inheritance can be seen here. Mendelian inheritance can be seen here in the first type, that is the segregated one. Okay, now let us see the second type of inheritance, that is showing in the neutral petite. So second we are going to see the inheritance pattern of neutral type. Okay, inheritance of neutral petite. So what happened here, that when haploid petite is crossed with a haploid normal, then what is observed here is that the diploid zygote is formed as in the previous one. previous case, the diploid zygote is formed, which is completely normal, and after meiosis, what happened here is that all are normal. Okay, all are normal. So it is seen here that haploid petite is crossed with a haploid normal, but after meiosis, all the offspring form are of normal type. Means it is here that no effect is seen, है ना? No effect on offspring. No effect on offspring of petite is seen in the case of neutral petites. Alright, now next again see about the third one, that is the suppressive type. Inheritance of suppressive type. What happened here is inheritance of suppressive type or petite. So here when a haploid petite is crossed with a haploid normal, then again diploid zygote are formed. Okay, diploid zygote are formed, but here what happened is the diploid zygote is petite. It is not normal, it is of petite. Okay, then after meiosis, all petite offsprings are formed. Okay, so we have seen three type of inheritance pattern. First in the segregated one, second in the neutral one, and third in the suppressive one. In the segregational one, we have seen the Mendelian inheritance, right? Two petite and two neutral are formed there. In the neutral petite, we have seen that all the normal are formed after the meiosis, but in the suppressive type, what happened here is the diploid zygote which is formed is of petite type, and after meiosis, all the petite type or all the petite offspring are formed, right? So what is the conclusion here? What is the conclusion here? See what happened. Segregational petite, right? Segregational petite shows 50% wild and 50% petite, right? So it is the Mendelian type. Segregational pattern inheritance shows the Mendelian inheritance. Mendelian inheritance or Mendelian segregation is seen here. Okay. In the second one, the neutral one, a neutral petite produces all normal, right? All normal, or can say all wild type, right? So this is a non-Mendelian inheritance type is seen here, non-Mendelian type of segregation. In the suppressive one, suppressive petite, this also inherit the non-Mendelian type of segregation, okay, and will produce all petite. Here all petite are produced when crossed with wild type. So in this way, the mitochondria DNA decide the phenotype of the progeny. Okay, so that is all for the mitochondria inheritance, petite mutant in yeast. I hope this is very clear to you. Thank you.